Hello guys, today we are playing Don't Press the Button 7. I wonder if I'm good at this game. For now, let's wait for them to escape the tsunami. Let's try pressing the button. Let's go. No, I'm falling.
We tired of playing with you. Today you're gonna die. Say goodnight.
Wait, why am I so slow? Now I have to go back. Finally. Not again. I keep falling. I have a feeling I won't win this round. Oh, I lost. Time to press the button. Dancing dogs. The way they dance is so funny. Okay, go. Crossed that one safely. So easy.
Bruh.
I'm sure I can do this. I did it. I finally won something. I'm so happy. Let's just wait a bit. Why is it taking so long? So many cats. It's raining cats. These cats are so cute. Imagine if it was tacos. No, they are too close to the button that I wanted to press it myself. Anyways, I wonder if I will do this park hour without failing. Noob statue, save me, I'm not dying today. Tsunami coming. Made it. I'm on top of the noob statue. Mission complete. The second round I've won today. Why are we under the map? Everyone is confused. I don't think this was supposed to happen. Press the button. Oh no, aliens are chasing us. We so cooked. Run as fast as you can. At least they are not chasing me. I'm so lucky. Why is there not that many aliens? Oh, one is chasing me. I mean, it just one of them. Oh, it no more chasing me. So easy. Press it again. Oh no, a scary looking thing is chasing us. It holding a knife. Oh no, it chasing me. I'm so cooked. Oh, I died. More dancing dogs. Not this again. I came here to survive, not watch a concert. Why are the dogs better dancers than me? Welcome to Brookhaven, I guess.